Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I have a journal I want to share with you that I finished to flip through. It's kind of a springy journal with a soft cover with some lacy fabric, white lacy fabric over the front of it. I did something a little different this time. I took some colored cardstock, which is a light, very light green, and put it on the back. Usually I use white on the back, but you can see the green comes through just a little bit. And I think it gives it a new dimension. So, and then I got some digitals from, I'll have to put it in the discussion box. Creative Boutique maybe? I don't know, I'll have to do it. And so I cut out a section of the really pretty flowers. This will be a flowery, vintage flowery journal. Little applique. These laces came from Crafty Me Shop. That came from Crafty Me Shop. This is actually vintage. It's from a collar on a vintage blouse. So inside we have some envelope pockets. And in the envelope pockets I've just put a little bit of digital paper. Digital ephemera, I call it. Just little pieces of digital ephemera to fill them up. And that's some more of that paper. This kind of has a pink theme, but not entirely. Pink and green maybe might be the... Anyways, wallpaper tag, and then another tag. And then recently I put a digital in my shop. It's French receipts, and I made them full page, and you could size them down, but they turned out really good. They've got a really great tea-stained vintagey color to them. Oh, and all the pages in the journal are tea-stained. They're all tea-stained. That comes from another shop, Blossom on Isti, paper art or something like that. I think next video I'm gonna write down the names of the places so that I don't keep messing them up. It's a corner tuck, flips up, little butterfly. Hopefully this is all in frame. And this is some mirror stock burgundy red mirror stock tag, and a couple pieces of little digital ephemera, and a little tag. That came from Vintage by Me shop. Those are so cute. I've got a mix of papers in here. Some is Blossom, clip art, and Isti, and some is that Creative Boutique. So, and this is a flip out pocket with a little, it actually, if you pull it open, it'll pull all the way open and fold it up, and you could have a secret place to write, and then you can fold it back down. And it also makes it have several different places. You can put something in the back as a pocket, and a couple places in the front as different pockets because of the way it's folded. So it ends up being a couple pocket thing. Real pretty doily. Just really pretty papers. Really springy, gardeny. This is an envelope, and inside it'll have some digital ephemera. You'll be surprised when you open it up. You won't know until you look. The center tuck has a couple tags. Just different tags that you can play with. This tag has got some, it's like glitter stock. It's a little gray, a little silver, they probably call it silver. And a little bit of digital ephemera. Another envelope's got something in it, not sure what, some type of digital ephemera. They always do. And another flip up tuck with a wallpaper tag, just a regular cardstock tag, and another wallpaper tag, and then a little, another little tag. And in this pocket is another receipt from that digital in my shop, French receipt, full page. And if you can size it down on your printer. I just thought it might be good to make them full page, because then you could actually use it as a journal page if you wanted to. And since all printers should size down, there should be a way to size up and down on all printers. So, and some lacy, and then a little bit of digital ephemera in that pocket, and a little bit in that pocket. And this is the green that's underneath the front here that you can kind of see through just a little bit. It gives it a little bit of color. I kind of like it. I usually, like I said, I usually make it white under there, but I kind of like that color on there. So there we go. I'll put some of those paper places, I'll put it in the description box and all that. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day.